Whenever I go travelling and I'm in a foreign country, I do like to try and stick to the traditional foods of that country. However, there are times where I just fancy a little something that reminds me of home. You know, roast dinner, fish and chips, full English breakfast, that kind of stuff, you know what I mean? Well, I've seen this little bar that had a sign outside saying full English breakfast. And today, that is exactly what I fancy, a proper full English breakfast. Now, I'm in Agadir in Morocco, and you know that I know, that you know that I know, that the chances of finding pork in a Muslim country are practically zero. This little bar says it does a full English breakfast. This could be interesting. Nothing ventured, nothing gained. So let's go and check this little place out.
Welcome to Morocco. Join me on this epic journey where I try to discover just some of the many hidden secrets this amazing country has to offer. Its food, its culture, its music, its nightlife, its beaches.
And of course, anything else that might just happen to come along. Hello, little fella. Well, it is Sunday, so not sure if I'm going to be lucky today. However, look at that. So far, so good. English breakfast. Back bacon, tomatoes, mushrooms, beans, toast, eggs, and sausages. 90 dirham. This is the actor's studio, just on the road, just up from the beach. Right, so far so good. I've ordered my full English breakfast. He has told me that they haven't actually got any sausages, which is a bit disappointing because full English breakfast ain't a full English breakfast without a sausage. However, I've gone a level higher than that. I've asked if they could put some merguez on it, which is traditional Moroccan sausage. So probably even a better choice. Happy days.
What is this? Is TV?
Right. My friend, my waiter has arrived. This is the boss. He's the main man. He's just bought my breakfast for me. And if you come to the karaoke bar, you'll bump into him.
And
lovely
football,
chap.
And watch football.
And watch football, karaoke bar.
Everything
you could possibly ask. Well, absolutely fantastic bar here. Been here many a night. Anyway, right now, it's not about karaoke. It's about my breakfast. And I'll tell you what, have a look at this. It's not looking too bad. It's looking pretty shabby, actually. Let's get a better close-up on it. Right. What we got here? We've got eggs. Got some eggs. I didn't ask them well done, but I do like my eggs well done. Actually, they're done perfect for me. Absolutely perfect. Grilled tomato. Not quite sure what that... I guess that's butter, yeah. Toast, butter. Pretty obvious, really, isn't it? Baked beans. Bacon. Bacon. In a Muslim country. Unbelievable. And mushrooms. And a bit of merguez sausage. Do you know what? This is looking pretty shabby, if you ask me. Fantastic. Let's get stuck in. Well, first things first, I can't believe I've actually found bacon in a Muslim country. Is it real bacon? I'm just a little bit in shock, to be fair. And baked beans, come on. Let's have a look at this. Sod it. Beans are coming out. Right. To be 100% honest, the bacon is not cured, or if it is, it's very mildly cured, but it is bacon nonetheless. This is amazing. This is absolutely more than I anticipated, more than I expected. Wow. Would I recommend it? 100%. If you're looking for a full English breakfast in Agadir, you found it. The Actors Bar. Also the karaoke bar. If you're getting a taxi and ask them to take you to the karaoke bar, this is where they'll bring you. But look at this. Proper full English breakfast. I'm blessed. Absolutely blessed. This is spot on. What do I say? Normally when I go travelling I tend to stick to traditional meals, traditional food. But today I just fancied something a little bit homely. And you just don't get more traditional home than full English breakfast. And honestly, I have not been disappointed. You know, when you go foreign countries, you expect something to trip you up and, oh, we can't do that, we can't. Nothing like that today. Exactly what it says on the tin. Full English breakfast. That's what I've got. God, happy days. Happy days. Baked beans. Spot on. I doubt very much they're Heinz, but they are still really good. Grilled tomato, look at that. Proper grilled tomato. You know, you'd almost think they had an English chef in there. Oh, this is amazing. Merguez sausage, which is a traditional, I think it's made from beef actually, but traditional Moroccan sausage. Really, really good, really nice. Oh, you know what? There's not many times where I am really pleasantly surprised. But on this occasion, whoa, whoa, yeah. If you're looking for full English breakfast, this has definitely got my stamp on it, 100%. Will I be coming back for another one? 100% sure I will be. Oh yeah, definitely. Oh my giddy aunt, alhamdulillah, as they say in this part of the world, I have just been absolutely pleasantly surprised. For once, do you know what? I can't actually make any fault on that breakfast. Do you know what? I've eaten breakfast in many foreign countries, full English breakfast in many foreign countries, and I have to say, this one, probably top of the list. And that's pretty sad to say when you think it is also a Muslim country where they don't actually eat pork. Yeah, full English breakfast in the Actors Studio karaoke bar in Agadir. I have been pleasantly surprised. Absolutely spot on. Good service, good food, nice al dente eating out, nice al fresco eating outside. Spot on. Coffee wasn't the best in the world, but it was still good. Thoroughly enjoyed the whole thing. Definitely recommend going there for a full English breakfast. It's probably the only place in Agadir you will actually get a full English breakfast anyway. And on that note, I am one happy bunny. What a lovely way to start the day. Happy days.